Hi, in this day and age, every business needs to have a web presence. Even you as an individual, you want to express yourself by using an online medium. The ability to develop this website has become an important skill set. With modern content management system, it makes very easy for anyone with little or no knowledge to develop a website. One such content management system, or CMS, is Joomla. Joomla is an award-winning content management system which enables you to build websites and powerful online applications. So this Joomla is a content management system. So it enables you to create websites and other web application, online web application for free. And the software is free. And this is the Joomla website. You can download for free. It has extensions. Once you download and install the Joomla, you can add some modules, you can add some templates, you can add some modules to extend the functionality of the Joomla content management system. You can see here that the new version is 4.1. You can see here the benefit and the features of this content management system. CEO. Now this is very, very important. If you are creating a website, you want the website to rank well in the search engines, mobile friendly. That means the website you are going to create can be accessed by different devices. As you are aware, users use different devices to access internet or browse the websites. They can use a mobile phone, they can use a desktop computer. Unlimited design, there are so many designs you can use or you can come up with when you are creating the website. Multilingual, so many languages or you can add in your website. Flexible and fully extensible. It's not just a website, you can extend it to many other features. You can add more features to the website. And multi-user permissions. You can add different users permissions to manage your website. So this is a good content management system, and in this course we are going to use this content management. This is a free content management system to create our website. So you can see different websites that have been created using this content management system, Joomla. Let's see if you can be able to view more. Showcase website developed using this content management system. And here there are so many of them. You can see they are very good looking website. And all these built for free. They are built for free. So it's a free content management system and easy to learn and use. And you can use it to develop your website. You can use it to develop your websites. We are going to use Joomla as our content management system to develop our website for free. Another free framework or a tool that we are going to use to develop our website is what we refer to as a Helix Outlet. And this one is you can unlock the power of website creation with no code development, so you don't need to code. So this Helix framework enables you to code or to come up with a website to develop a website with no code required. When you want to come up with a website, you need a template, or what we refer to as a templating engine, to start developing the website. So this framework enables you to come up with your own framework. It's like a base or a basic structure that enables you to come up with your website. It is a universal Joomla template that can be used to develop all types of websites. The templates make sure that your website is clean and smooth, giving you that user experience. And you can see here it's free. You can download for free. So the tools we are going to use are all free. You can download them for free and use them for free. And again, the good things with this is that it's very easy to use and learn. It's very useful. It is modern and full responsive. So your website will be full responsive. Remember, the users can use different devices to access the websites. So be assured that your website will be responsive. And it has been developed using a Bootstrap 5. You can learn more about Bootstrap 5. Here you can see it has a drag and drop layout builder, advanced responsive control, recent style options. You can use different style options to your website. Drag and drop menu builder. You can build menus. So you can think of this template like this framework as creating your template. Once you install the Joomla content management system, the next step is you need to install a template so that you can start developing your website. Now, instead of getting now the template or searching for a template, you can have this framework called Helix Ultimate Framework that it can help you to develop your own framework or to come up with your own design for the website. So you can see here it has rich menu builder. Remember, in a website you need menus. Customization, you can customize your website the way you want. 5 brand new home variations. So this company Joomla, they have come up with 5 different home variations for that has been built using this framework. So you can install this framework and install one of these this home variation, or you can actually come up with your own design. So here, built for Joomla 4. Currently we have 4.1, so you can use it for the current Joomla version. Header option, typographic options, you can have those. Enhance user experience, improve import setting, enables you what you want. Build with this Bootstrap 5. Toast notifications to the website, font awesome 5, Google Analytics, compatibility with the current version of the Joomla, social icon and share. So it has so many features. SP page builder supported. So this is the next tool we are going to use. It's a very good tool you can use to build your website. Pages. So there are so many features that you can use that come with this framework, and you can use it and incorporate in your website you are going to create. So this is a templating engine, a framework that you can use to come up with your website, and you are going to use this to create your website. Let's see a preview of the framework and how it looks like. Here we go. This is how it looks like. This is the first website you can see. The home variations, corporate. There you go. You can see the website. You can see the websites. Fashion, different types of website you can come up with to create a website. You can see this is a an e-commerce website for fashion. Another one is lifestyle. Lifestyle, here you can see this is the lifestyle. So you can see it's a very nice framework that you can use to create a website. So you install the Joomla and then you now install this framework to build your website, and I'm going to show you step by step. So keep watching these videos, like and share and comment if you have any question, and subscribe to my channel to see more content. So continue watching the other sections. So I'll divide this course into different sections so that I can take you step by step on how to create a website for free using these free tools. And you can see it is responsive in the desktop. In the other phone, you can see very responsive. The framework is responsive, so you have to not to worry about the response of your website. So this is another tool we are going to use, and it is free. It's called Helix Ultimate. It's a framework, the Joomla templating engine that you can use to come up with your website. Another tool we are going to use is called XAMPP Page Builder. It is the best drag and drop website building tools, and it is supported by the Helix Ultimate template, the other two we have discussed. With the help of XAMPP Page Builder, you can give your site the look and the feel of whatever you can imagine. So you can design any type of website in terms of the look and the feel. So whether you are a beginner or a professional, it lets you build a site independently. It is the fastest and easiest way to create a website in minutes without coding in Joomla. So it's a drag and drop builder for Joomla content management system. This is the website. And it's actually trusted by more than 200,000 people worldwide. So it has a pro version and it has a free version. For this our case, we are going to use the free version. Remember, our channel is about using free software to improve our day-to-day activities. So we are going to use a free version, and we are going to create a website with this drag and drop tool. So you can see here, you can build everything visually, so you can come up with any type of design you want. You can create a website without coding. It helps you to create a website without coding. So it comes with free pre-designed templates, but this is the pro version. For us, we are going to use the free version, but as you are going to see, we can actually use the free version to build our website also. So these are some of the powerful add-ons that you can use to create a website. A website comes with different components, and this page builder helps you to create or to add those components with easy and fast. So here you can see some of the components, some modules. If you want to integrate some modules, let's say for example you are creating a website and you want to add an event to show events in your website. So you can have a Joomla module. I'm going to show you all this, how you can download modules, and you can insert that module easily using now this page builder. So these are some of the components you see in our website. You see an article displayed, you see slide buttons, our team. So these are some of the components you can see, the headings, image content, if you want to add the image, the pricing tables, the progress bar. So these are some of the components you see in our website. Navigation, tables, forms, you see forms in our website. So these are some of the components, and this page builder will help you easily to implement those components in our. So for the free version, you can find all this in a pro version. But for the free version, you can find, these are some of the things you can actually find. And as you are going to see, you'll be able to see that this version can actually you can actually build a free website with these free items. And now this is the website we are going to create. And this website, I have created this website using the free tools I have described. As you can see, it's a content management system using Joomla, and I also used the framework, Helix Ultimate framework, and also I have used SP Page Builder. So you can see this website is a professional website. So we are going to create this exact website. I'm going to show you step by step how to create this website. So make sure you like this video, you subscribe, and watch the other steps or the other videos so that you can see how to create professional website, so that you can go there out and create your own. So this is the website I've created, and the same website we are going to create. So you can see different pages. Show you step by step how to create the website, and we are going to implement more and more features as we go by. So you can see it's a very nice professional website. So I'm going to show you how to create this using free tools step by step. So make sure that you like this video and you subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you watch all the other videos so that you can know or you can learn how to create a professional website for free. A professional website for free. This course will take you from absolutely no knowledge of web development to creating a professional website. And the good news is this course uses all the free tools. Joomla, the content management system, is free. Helix framework, a templating engine for Joomla, is free. And the SP Page Builder, we are going to use the free version of it to create the website. You will learn which tools to install and how to use them. Take this course to learn step by step from a seasoned professional website creator. Welcome. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel and watch all the other videos, and turn on notifications so that you can get more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next video. Hello. In this video, I will show you how to set up a localhost web server for faster web development. We will install and configure a web development environment on your computer to enable you code faster and when offline. The Windows operating system uses a hostname called localhost to navigate to a web server service located on the local desktop. Localhost is commonly used by developers to test web applications before promoting the application to live server. A local web server is basically a setup by installing software on your computer to give it a web server capabilities. For a Windows-based, we will install XAMPP, which is a combination of Apache, which is the web server, MySQL, which is the database, and the PHP application, which is the application used to create web applications. So for the Windows operating system, we are going to install XAMPP, and this is the website. This is the XAMPP website, and you can see here XAMPP. You can install XAMPP for different types of operating system. There's one for Windows, then there's the one for Linux, there's now one for OS X. So for this in this video, I'm going to show you how to install one for Windows operating system. So you go ahead and check the version, the version of the one you want to install. Okay, you can always install for the latest version of the XAMPP for Windows. So you can go the one for the version which is 8.1.2. As you can see here, the current version of the PHP version is 8.1.2. So remember, there are applications that cannot work with a PHP version less than 8.1.2. Like for example, the content management system we are going to use, Joomla, must work with a PHP version number 8. So let us confirm. Go to the Joomla website, then you go to downloads. So the current version is 4.1.0, which we are going to use. Technical requirements. So here you see the PHP version, the recommended version is 8.0. So when you download the XAMPP for Windows, make sure that the version is at least 8.0. So at least this pointer. But the minimum requirement is 7.2.5. 7.2.5. So any of this version is good, but I will recommend you download the latest one, the latest version. And you can see here the PHP version supported, the MySQL supported 5.6 and above, and the Apache, which we are the web server we are going to use, is 2.4 and above. So you are assured if you download the latest version of XAMPP, you are going to get the latest version of the PHP, MySQL, and the Apache web server we are going to get. So the XAMPP for Windows combines the Apache, combines the MySQL, and it comes with the Apache, MySQL, and the PHP. So when you install, so you have that combination that make a local web server. You can actually install it one at a time. You can install Apache, MySQL, and then you configure. But this is a recommended version. You can install this recommended version that enables you to install all of them at once for easier installation and use, so that you can start creating your web application. So go ahead and download the version, the current version. So your download will start automatically, and if it does, you just click here to download. You can see here the XAMPP has started to download. So I'll just pause this video to wait for it to download. Then I'll come back. We continue with the installation and setup of a local web server. when it is done installation, you go to the download folder, and then there you get the XAMPP Windows installations. Then you just start to install. You double click to install. Just double click to install the XAMPP. There you go. Just give it some time and then it will appear. To give you this a warning, you just say OK, and then it will give you this wizard, a step-by-step wizard to install, setup wizard to install. You just click next, and you can install all the components here. Click all those, just install all the components. Just say next. Then it will ask you where you want to install, the XAMPP web server, the XAMPP web server. Basically, in XAMPP, this is a good point where you can store your XAMPP. Then you just click next, and it will go into install. So I'm going to pause this video, and then we will return when it has installed. When it has installed, you now go to your installation folder. And for me, I had earlier already installed XAMPP into my computer, so your installation folder will actually look different. So you go to the installation folder. So for my case, it was C. So yours can be different depending on where you have installed your XAMPP. So mine is C. So go there, and the installation will create a folder by the name XAMPP. To create a folder by the name XAMPP, so you click that XAMPP, and then it will have so many documents, folders, files, and documents, and you ignore the others, and you go to HT docs, and here yours will have different files and folders all again together. You have different files and folders all again together, like index, just for starting the web server. So I would recommend you that you delete everything you find here for your case. Just delete everything you find here for your case. And then after that, you have to start the web server. So go to the start and find the web server, XAMPP web server, control panel, XAMPP control panel. You can pin it to the taskbar like I have done for easy access. You just open it, the control server, to make sure that it starts. Then here you need to start the applications or the modules that we want. Number one is Apache. Make sure that it is start Apache. Number two is MySQL. We need MySQL, so make sure that you start the MySQL. There you go. So they are starting. So now we can start using our web server. Now, I want us to set up a localhost web server for faster web development. Something just like a live web server. If you checked my demo website, the website we are going to create. You can see here, I'm actually typing toot.net and the website opens. So we are going to set the same so that it can be very easy. You can actually type localhost and you will be able to access the websites in the web server or the website you have put here. But I want us to set it like this. You can actually use it just like a normal or online accessing web server. So we are going to set up like this. So for the so this is how you go about it. So I'm going to use this Notepad++ to edit the local web server. You can use any website, but I want you to edit these files. This is how you go about it. To prepare or make our web server, we are going to edit two very important files. That is the host file and then the virtual host file in our web server. So we start with the first one, that is the host file. So you go to your installation folder, you go to your operating system, installation folder, operating system install folder, and then we go to Windows, and then we go to System 32. Yeah, System 32. Then you go to drivers, and then you go to etc folder, and this is the file we want to edit. So you edit this file with your preferred editor. Mine, I'm using this Notepad++. It's a free software. Again, you can download it in your computer, or you can use any other editor you have. So here you go, this is the file you get, and here we want to add our new application we want to create. So you go here, then you add the IP address 126, which is a local IP address of the machine, 0.0.0.1, and then the name of the website we are going to create, and you can give it any name. But in this case I'll call it erigits.net. You can call it .com or .test. You want to test erigits.net, and then you make sure that you save. It has to be in the admin mode. Edit in admin mode so that it can save the changes. Edit in the admin mode so that you can save the changes. Later on, we are going to create this folder in the XAMPP installation file, erigits. We are going to create this erigits or in the installation folder. So this is the first host file we are going to edit. So you find this file, and then you just add this localhost IP address there, and the IP address you want to call in your computer, the IP address or the name. You give it the number and then the name, the domain name you want to call your website in your localhost web server. So the next one we are going to create is the vhost, the virtual host, and this one you find it in your XAMPP installation file. So you go to your XAMPP folder, then XAMPP, then you go to Apache, then you go to config, then you go to extra, Then here you find the files. The file you want is the virtual host file, vhost file. Again, you edit using your preferred editor. Using your preferred editor. Using your preferred editor, and here you find this file. And what you need to do now is to change some settings. Just need to change some settings here. There you go. So here you change the document root of where your folder is. You just need to change these two, the document root and the server name. So our server name, remember we have named it Erigits or whatever you have called your server name. And then you state where your folder is, C, XAMPP, HT docs. So we are going to create a folder called Erigits. So if we go to the XAMPP HTT docs, so here we are going to create the folder and we rename it Erigits. So all our files, our installation, we are going to do it here. So that the computer or the web server can refer to all the files here. And then you go ahead and save the file. You go ahead and now save the file. So now you can go to the website, to the browser, to your browser, and types erigits.net. Erigits.net. Make sure that this name Erigits or whatever you have called is in your XAMPP. In your XAMPP installation folder HT docs. It's the same, exactly the same. Erigits. It's exactly the same. As you can see here, the tools that I'm actually showing you as a demo website is this one, tools.net. You can see here, tools.net. So make sure that Erigits is the one you have called your document. So make sure that it is Erigits. Here you can see Erigits. The document root is C, XAMPP, HT docs, Erigits, and their host, the IP and the domain name erigits.net. Then now you can open your document based on what you have called it, .com, .test, any whatever you have called it. Call it your domain. Then now you can open your browser and type the name. So let us go ahead and open our browser. Once you have set and configured the two files, that is the vhosts and the host file. So in the host file, make sure that you have added the IP, the local IP address 127.0.0.1, and then the domain, you are going to use. Remember, these names must be the same as the one in your XAMPP. And then for the virtual host, make sure that you have entered the right document root and the server name, erigits.net or whatever you have called it, .com, whatever it is. The document root is where you have created your folder in C, XAMPP, HT docs, and ours we have called it Erigits. That's why it's same here, Erigits, and the server name is Erigits plus the extension. The same here, Erigits plus the extension. The next step is you make sure that you restart the Apache. This is very important because if you go to your browser and type the address, it will not go through. So make sure that you open your XAMPP control panel and then restart the Apache. So what you need to do is you just click stop, then you start again. So it will detect the changes you have made to the files, to its file. That will be good to go. And then when you go to your browser and then you type edgit.net, you'll be able to access your website. As you can see, we have not added any files or documents. That's why it is good. So edgit.net, there you go. The most other important thing is the localhost. The localhost, MySQL. We are going to use MySQL as the database. So to access the same, you go to localhost, so php myadmin, localhost to php myadmin. So here in your browser, type localhost php myadmin. Here you go. You can see here we have the database. You can create the database we are going to use for our Joomla website. The Joomla website uses a database, so we're going to create the database here. So go to localhost plus php myadmin, and then you have now the edgit.net. So this way we access the website. So this make it very easy for us. To access and work on our web application, on our website, before we now move it to the live server. So we work here on the local machine, so it's good before we move now again the website or the web application or whatever you are creating to the server. Your address, and here you can see you can be able to access, and there is no any files you have installed. So you are going to see, if you go to see XAMPP, htdocs, edgit, we have not installed anything. That's why it's showing this way. Even yours is going to show the same. Yours is going to show the same. And to access the database, you need to type localhost/php myadmin for your database. So here we are going to create the database. So it's using MySQL. The database we are going to use to install our website. The website is going to use our database. Remember, it's a content management system. So go to your browser and type localhost/php myadmin so that you can get the database. So here we are going to install to create the database. You can now access your web server. It's all set up. The setups are okay. The database is okay. So make sure that you like this video, and then comment. If you have any question, just comment, and then click the notification bell so that you can get the other parts series of the video. And also you subscribe. If you have not subscribed, you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install all the tools we are going to need to create the website. In the last video, we set up the web server. So the first thing you need to do is to open the XAMPP control panel, and you make sure that the Apache, the web server, and MySQL are running. Then you head to joomla.org. We want to download the Joomla. So you go ahead and say download. Then you click download Joomla, the latest version. So it will download, and go to your downloads. I had already downloaded mine. So you copy this zipped folder to the folder we created in XAMPP HTTP docs. So you copy it here. So this is the folder we created. You paste this here, and then you extract the components. There you are. Now you are ready to go. So if you open your browser and then you type the address, remember we created this address, ergits.net. You type that one, you see, to bring the Joomla installation file, because now they can be able to see the document which we have extracted. But before that, you need to set up the database that can be used by this website. So you go ahead and type localhost phpMyAdmin. There you have the database. So what you need to do is to create the database. And in our case, we call it gits. Let's call it gits dbase. Then create. So this is phpMyAdmin, which have the MySQL. You can even create privileges and create the users and create a new user that you can use and assign that user to your database. But in our case, we are going to use the root user, the default user, root user. Be granted all the privileges for the localhost you have. So we are going to use this user. So you go ahead to the installation file. You select your language. Then you give the website name. Let's call it ergits. And then you continue, say setup. Enter the real name of your super user. So we said it is the root. No. This is the user who is going to use the website. So here is the user who is going to use the website. So enter your name there, the real name, then set up the username you are going to use. So set up your name. So my name, say it is that admin, and then the password you are going to use. Enter your password. So enter at least 8 characters. Then you enter your email address, then you go to the database connection. So make sure that the password is acceptable. For my case, I've entered this one. That one remains the same. MySQLi, localhost, we are using localhost. And then the username is root, we are using root. No password, remember there was no password. Then the database, remember our database is called gitdbase. Gitdbase. Enter a table prefix or use randomly generated one. So for this case, because we are creating a ERGIS database, let's call it EG, so that the tables in the database, we have a prefix EG. Connection type, just call default server controlled, and then you say install Joomla. So we wait as the setup is being done. There you are. Congratulations. The Joomla has been installed, and we can actually open the site. There you are. It has a default template. There you are. It has a default template. And if you want to access the backend, you just write administrator. So this is the front end. Then if you want to access the backend, just type the administrator. Remember, this is a content management system. We have our password. Then we have our username. There you are. Nice. This is the backend. Nice. We have installed the Joomla. This is the backend where you can enter various components. In the next video, I'll take you through basic knowledge about each and every components here. So here, if you want to access the website, this is the front end and this is the website. It does not have anything. So if you want now to create this website, you need to come now to the backend here, where you can control everything. If you want to add articles, if you want to add content, if you want to add menus, it's on this side. And this is the front end and this is the back end. Now let's go ahead and install the other tools. That is the framework, the Helix Ultimate framework, and the SP page builder. Next, we are going to install now the framework that will act as a template in engine so that you can be able to create our website. So to do that, you go to this website, joomshaper.com. It's a Joomla company. It's grow your business with the world #1 tools for Joomla. They create Joomla templates and the plugins and the modules. And if you check the product, they have SP page builder, which we are going to use, and also they have now the framework, the best Joomla template framework. So you go to the Helix framework, and this is the framework, and you go ahead, you say download for free, but you make sure that you register. Make sure that you register to enable you download. So you create download for free. So the current version is 2.0.7. So you hit download. And it will give you these options. You have the template, then you have a quick pack Joomla 3, then a quick start pack Joomla 4, then a plugin. In this case, we are going just to download the template, the Helix Ultimate framework template. But if you go ahead and download, for example, for Joomla 3, and now we are Joomla 4, a quick start pack, this one will come with Joomla already installed. When you install this one, it will already have the Joomla, and it will already have a demo website. Remember, in the introduction video, I showed you the home variation for Helix Ultimate frameworks. It has different variations in the website. So this will come with all that. But in our case, we are going to use this so that we can design from scratch, from the start, step by step, how to design the website. So go ahead and download this one, which I have already done. In my case, but it has already downloaded. Once you're done, so these quick packs Joomla 3 and quick start pack Joomla 4 will come with, when you install them, they will have the Joomla already. You don't need to install the Joomla, plus you have this website. You come up with this website already, so it will give you a head start so that you can start designing your website. It will come with this website already. That's why it is a quick start pack. It will come already with this website already installed, plus other components. But in our case, we want to start from step by step, from scratch. We have a complete free framework without any website, so that I can show you how step by step. So once you have downloaded the framework, you go back to the Joomla dashboard backend. So as I've told you, I'm going to show you how to explain a different part of the new Joomla 4 or components and part. But you head to system, just go to system, and then go to install extensions, and then now you can browse your component. You can browse your component, or you can just drag and drop, browse or conduct. So Helix framework, just drag there and it will install. And there you are. It has installation of the plugin was successful. It has already installed. And now the next step you need to do is to make sure that you make now that template as the default template engine. Remember, we have a different template engine. You can see a template engine. You have to make now the Helix Automate as the default template engine. So again, head to System, and then you go to Site Template Styles. Templates, Site Template Style. There you go. This is the default one. That's why we are seeing it here. But we want to make now this as default. Shape Helix Automate as the default. So you click this one to make it default. There you go, default style set. There you go. That's that. Now when you refresh now, it will have a different design, as you can see now here. Designed by Joomla. This is the company that developed the framework. So you can see here. So it's nice. Now we can be able to start creating the website. So the next tool we are going to use or to install is the SP Page Builder. So again, head to the Joomla website, then go to the product, and then you go to SP Page Builder. So this is a drag and drop page builder. It helps you to design anything in a website, add some component, add some part in a website. So it's a very nice page builder for Joomla website. And you can see here you have a pro version that has so many components, but we are going to use the free. So these are the components of the part of the website that you can add. So there are so many, but we are going to go and do the free components. So go ahead and download the free version. Go ahead and download the free version. Page builder. We have the current version, that is 3.8.5. Just download the component. There you go. Once you download the component, then you head to the dashboard. You go to the system. This is how we install the extensions. If you want to extend, download and extend extensions for Joomla. That's how you install them. But in the next video, I'll show you, or I'll take you through different parts of the Joomla here. So we go again, extension. There you are. Again, you can browse the file where you have installed the file, or you just drag and drop. Just drag and drop the component. So this is the component or the plugin, and you wait for it to install. There you go. Installation of the component was successful. That is good. So we have installed the component. So you can see here the SP Page Builder. So we are going to create the pages using these components or these two for our website. So we have installed the Joomla. And you can see we have a working base or start basic for our website, and then we have installed the framework we are going to use for the purpose of website development. Then we have installed the SP Page Builder, which we are going to use to create the pages and design for our website. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. In the next video, I will take you through some basic about Joomla, especially for those who are starting to design using this Joomla, some of the parts, different parts of the Joomla. And then in the next video, we start now designing our website. Make sure that you like this video, and also subscribe, and if you are new here, subscribe to my channel and then hit that notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. In this video, I want to take you through some of the basics of Joomla. This is Joomla 4.1.0 dashboard, the home dashboard. When you come to the dashboard, you have some components here. We have some site where you can add the users who are going to access your system. Then articles, if you want to write articles, article categories. And then you have the media, so these are images and videos, that's where you add. And then you have modules and plugins. If you remember in our introduction video, we said you can download and extend your Joomla. So if you go to extensions, there are so many plugins and modules that you can download so that you can extend the functionality of your Joomla website. So when you do, that's where you come and add it. Like for example, one of the modules that we downloaded and we want to extend is SP Page Builder. So if for example, if you go to the modules, here you find it, you have the SP Page Builder as an extension module that will help us. For example, one of the modules that we have installed is the SP Page Builder that we are going to use to create our website. So if you go to modules, you find we have the SP Page Builder. And if you go back to our Joomla website, you can see there are so many extensions and plugins that you can download to extend your Joomla the website or functionality. If for example it's about photos and images, for example if you want a slideshow, you go there, here you go, you can see there are so many. Of course, some you have to buy and some you have to, and some are free, so you can download here. So once you download, you go to your Joomla and go to system, and this is where you update or you upload your extensions. So here you click extension, there you go, and you can browse or install. See here you can install from a folder, from a URL, or from a web. So any can do of this to extend your extension. As you can see, this one will be easy. So here, this one is same as this. So instead of going here and downloading the extension or the plugin, you can install it direct from here. So if you go back to our dashboard, actually whatever is here is actually a shortcut of what you have in the left menu here. So the other one is the system, where you can create your cache, you can do your global configuration, some configuration, and then you have a notification. If you have any notification in your Joomla website, you can see here they are saying that our Joomla is up to date, but we have an update for plugins. So if you click here, you see there is an update for plugins. So it gives you notification of what's happening in your Joomla website. And remember, this is only for Joomla 4.1. This is a new dashboard for Joomla 4.1. So you can see here they are saying that our SP Page Builder is 3.85, but they have updated to 3.86. So all you have need to do is just click and just click update, and it is going to update your extensions. So the other one is the latest actions are being displayed here. And then you have the sample data. If you are new and you want to try Joomla, you can install the sample data for your website to see how it actually works. And new installations. The content here is where you add the content to your website. You want to write articles, categories, featured articles, field, groups, media, administrator modules. Then you have the menus. This is where you add the menus to your website. We have the main menu, like for example here, the footer menu, all the main types of menu you want to write. You do it on this part. Then we have the components. All the components you have actually added to your website will come here. Like here you have banners. Remember we added one SP page builder, that's why we have it here. And we are going to use it to create our pages. Then you have the users. This is where you manage your users to access your website, groups, access levels, privacy, messaging. This is where you access your users. Then you have the system. Here you have the global configurations, extensions, templates. So this is important, especially for templates. For example, if you go to site template styles, you find our framework here, Shaper, Ultimate, Helix, Ultimate. So this is where you can modify your templates. You can see it here. So system, this is where you manage the templates. You can manage the extensions, the updates, the information, maintenance, database. Here, there you go. And of course the help if you need any help. So basically, this is just a shortcut to some of the frequently used items in their Joomla dashboard. Otherwise, if you want to go to specific items, you can actually use this menu to get access to. So basically, this is the basic structure or basics items in Joomla dashboard. And we are going now to start developing the website step by step without leaving any steps, so that we can come up with our website. Remember to check the complete website we are going to make in the first video of this series. Also, if you are new to Joomla, there are some of the resources that you can start with to know more about Joomla content management system. So if you go to Joomla website, here you can see here, Learn Joomla. So here you find a tutorial how to manage a Joomla website, how to create a Joomla website, and how to understand different types of parts or content of the Joomla. So this is good tutorial to start by. So if you are new to Joomla, please check this out. Documentation. You can go to the documentation, Joomla documentation. Learn more about Joomla website, beginners, administrators, developers. So if you're a beginner, here you have a guide how to start your website. So these are some of the good resources that you can check by. If you are really new to Joomla and you don't know how this type of content management operates, they also have community and support. You can join the community where you can ask questions and group discussion about various issues concerning the Joomla website. So, and if you're a developer, you have your resources there. So Joomla is a good content management system that can help you, or you can make any web application or the website with. Okay, if you are new here, please like this video and press a comment. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, because it really makes a huge difference. So I'll see you in the next video. Hi, in this video, we start creating our demo website. Remember, this is our demo website. I've shown you the demo website in the introduction video of this series. So today, we are going to create the header part of our website and also add the slider. So we are going to create the header, the slider. So let's go to our dashboard and start creating. So we need to go, when in the dashboard, we need to go to the system. You need to log in your administration, and then you go to system, then you go to site template styles, then you go to the style shaper helix ultimate, then you go to template options, and this smart window will appear. So you go first, you want to create the header, so you go to basic, click basic, and here we start with adding the logo. So just select, and we are going to create a new folder where we are going to add our so let's create a new folder here. So where we put all our logos in our website. Yeah, there you go. And then we upload our logo. I'm going to give you these details. I'm going to give you these details. These images. This is our first. Select, and then you say select. There you are. You can generate the favicon or favorite icon. This is the icon that appear at the address using your logo. So what you're going to do is you're going to type find a website we can use to generate favicon with. There are so many websites, and let's see which one we are going to use. Let's use this one. Let's use this one. So what we are going to do is to choose our logo. Here we are. And then all you need to do is you just click favicon. And there it will create the favicon, and then you can download the generated icons. So that's extract the icon. So here there are so many other types of icon, but we are going to use this one. So you go back to your backend here, and then under the basics, you go back to the logo basics, then then you choose the logo, and then you added our favicon, and then let's add another the logo for mobile logo. That if you're using a mobile, let's use the same, this one here. And then for the sake of the Latina logo still, let's use the same. There you go, and the favorite icon. it should now appear here. See, there you go, the favorite icon. We have added our favorite icon. This is nice. Off canvas. This is where basics. Let's go to the basics. Then the header. So for the website slider, you can see here this one, very nice slider here, very nice. We are going to use a free module slider, what we refer to as the smart slider. Here it is. Then you need to build a slider or on your website, and you can see it is absolutely free. We have a free version of the slider. So you go ahead and download the slider. Go ahead and download the slider. So you can see we have the free version, and then you have the standard and premium one. So just go ahead and download the free one. Download the free one. And once you are done, you go back now to your website backend, administrator backend, and then you go to system, and then you go to extensions. Not extension, you go to systems, and then you go to here, this extension, not manage but install extension. We want to install that module. So once you download, go to your where you have downloaded your module. So I have it here, mine, I have it here, and then I can just drag and drop it here. Wait for it to install. There you are. It has installed successfully. You have the smart slider. So the next step is you need now to do the configurations. You need to do the configuration, and the one configuration I want you to do is I want you to go to the module there, and you can see here the smart slider 3 module. So I want you to publish the item. That is the first step. I want you to publish the item. So you click here, publish the item. There, the items has been published. The main reason why we are publishing the smart 3 module is we are publishing the module is because we are going to use this module as a module in our page builder when we are adding now the slider. It's a module as we are going to add the slider, and there we are. We are going to create a slider, but the position we are not going to assign any position. Remember, the Helix framework has different position. I'm not going to create more position. So let's go to this module and see what it has, the component. So you go to the components, and then you click the smart slider. Here you are. You can create the slide from this. Go to the dashboard. Here we are. Already it has one slider already created, but you can already create one. That's what I want us to do. I want us to create one. So you can create a new project or a new user from a scratch, or you can start with a template. So we are going to start with a template. There you go. And here you find some free templates. So we are going to use this one. Remember, this one is the one in our demo website. So we are going to import this one. So we are going to import this one. Telling us to subscribe. Let's do so. See whether it will enable us to import this slider. There you go. We have imported the slider. Here it is. And its name is gradient slider. Let's call it Ergits slider. Then you save it. But I want us to display the slider in a template module position. So we are going to create a module for this. So Eric slider, let's call it Ergits slider. So we are not, for now we are not going to give it a position. Let's just save it there. Ergits. And here you are. You have the module already. The modules. I think we have created twice, but we are going to use one. We are going to use one. That the reason why is because we are using check-ins. We are actually editing the slider. So this is the slider, and you go to the smart slider here. Go to the dashboard. Here we are. Ergits slider. So this is the one we are going to add to our page. We're going to add this to our page. So let's go ahead and now add our slider to our page here, like this, to our page here, like this. To add our slider to our website, we now use this SP page builder. So you click SP page builder and then you click pages there. And the first page you want to create is the home page. You want to create the first page, and we call it home. So this is the first page you want to create. Call it home. There you are. And we want now to link this home with the to be our home here with the menu home here. So what we need to do is we go to menu. Let's go to the menu. This is how you link menus in Joomla. So you go to the menus, then you say main menu, then you click home. Currently it is assigned to articles, featured articles, but we want now to assign it, the home, we wanted to assign it to our home page builder, the one we have created. So we select this one, and then we go, you can assign menu to any type of this, any item types, but ours we want to do for the page builder, we want the page. So here, and then it will ask you to select the page. So we select the page we have created. And then you save. There you go. So now it will display our home page. Apart from now the other home we have created. Let's remove the title from the page. Let's remove the title from the page. So to remove the page title, display, page display, there you go. You say hide this, and then you save. and there you go. I've removed the page title. So then now let's go ahead and now add the slider. Add the slider. You go to the page you have created, components, SP page builder, pages, home. So this is where now we build our home page here. So we create this section, and other section will follow. So under our home, we add a new row to hold this slider. So you click add new row. You want a full one, add row, a full one row. Then you generate. Here you are. And here we want now to add the slider we have created as a module. So you click here, and then you say Joomla module. Click Joomla module. So here you want to use the module, and then you want to select the module we have created, and you choose now the slider we have created. Remember the slider? So choose the slider, and then say you apply. Then you say save. Suppose now to add the module. And now to add the module. There you go. Add the module. There you go. We have now added this slider. So in the next step, if you look at our main demo website, we have the content on this page and the social icon on this side. So here they are different. We want to put this on this side and this on this side. And then if you look at our slider, it's very smart. It has fitted very well. You can see it has fitted well. Ours not yet, but we are going to fix that. So in the next section, we are going to fix all that. In Helix Ultimate framework, we have what we refer to as the module position. Module position is the position in the framework that you can add the modules, or you can be able to extend your website. And these are some of them: of the title, top 1, top 2, top 3, logo, menu, search, slider, user 1, user 2, user 3, user 4, left, right, feature, slider, position 1 up to position 8, content top, bottom 1 up to 4, breadcrumb, footer 1, 2, coming off canvas, page builder 4, and debug. That's why if you come here to the layout, you can see some of them here. You can be able to to be able to switch this position. If you go to the basics, and then you'll go to, so there you go. We are making a good progress. So let's now make our slider look smart. So let's go. So you go to components, and then you go to smart slider, and you go to dashboard, and then you go to our slider. There you go. And the first thing is you need to do is the size. I think let's make it bigger here, 14 by 300, 14 by 300. Then make sure that it is full width. For the controls, you can choose the controls here. You can use this one or this one. Then for animations, the way it is autoplay, this is important so that the slider can autoplay themselves. So then you save. Let's see how it appears now. There you go. It does not change. Let's now go to the page itself. go to home, and then make changes to this row. So here, and let's remove the gutter between the columns. Then for the style, let's remove the paddings, remain 0 padding, say OK. Then for the columns settings, make sure that it is 0 px also. Remove any padding or space. There you are. Let's see now how. Make sure that you save the page. See how now it will appear. There you go. So we have removed the upper and lower space. So we want to make it full now, full width. Let's go back to the module itself, components, smart sliding. There. Then you select the slider we have created, and then let's check general, so fine, size, so fine, straight. Then full width, let's force full width. Then save. Then refresh. Now there you go. I have a smart slider there. You can see. Autoplay, just like our own website. So we have our own. There you can see. Very nice website. Very nice website. And there you go. We have created the header, the top header here. You have created it here. Then you have added the logo area or the menu area. Then you have added the slider. Here we have the off-canvas menu. Let's, for the time being, remove it. Let's remove this off-canvas menu. Let's go to the template options. Here, template options. Let's remove this off-canvas menu for now. And then let's go to the basics. The menu. Menu. Let's just use the mega menu only for the time being. There you go. And these content, you can always change them and add the address or the link to the social icons. So if you go to the basic now here, social icons here, there are the links. Then for the contact information. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe, like also, and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add the homepage content. If you look at our demo website, see that the homepage has different parts or sections. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add all these parts or sections or modules in our home page. So let's go back to our website, which we are creating. We go to the bucket, and to do this, remember we are using SP Page Builder to create our pages. So you go to components, and then you go to SP page builder, and then you go to pages. There you go, and here is our home page. So we open our home page. So in our previous video, we added a Joomla module which added our slider in our home page. So the next step, I want to add this text, welcome text message. So what you do is you add a new row, a full row like that, and then you add a text add-on, add a text block add-on. There you go. And then the title, you add the title. You add the title. These are the elements. Just add the title, and then you add the paragraph. Good thing with Joomla, it has added us a basic text that we can start with. Maybe do the alignment. Center, with the alignment center. That's all you need to do for now, and then you say apply. Once you say apply, you save. And then let us check how it has come up. There you are. Welcome to LGIS, and it has the basic text. Now let us add now the button. Let us now add the button, read more, so that when maybe it's a welcome message, you can click read more button to read more about the introduction part, which normally is about your website, anything about it. And normally the read more button, when one click read more button, it will actually direct you to who we are. Click read more, direct who we are, or whatever you have named it, maybe about us. So let's go ahead and now create the read more button. So to add the button, you go ahead and add the button at the same row. Remember this row we have created, so we want to add the button at the same row. So you go ahead and in the same row you add an add-on. In the same row you add an add-on, and this time is we want to add a button. Here this is a button, this is a button, and then you add the button settings, and here the button text we want to read more. The alignment on the right side, and for now let us give no link at the moment, and it's open on the same window. And let's give a primary flat. Let's make it large. For the shape, make it loud. Full width no. Icon, we have this type of icon here, so here you are, and the icon position is on the left side. It on the left side. There you go. The style, maybe the style, text, imagine that, give it 20 px now, and we need to add maybe that the hover color. Let's add this one here, the hover color. There you go. Let's say we apply and then we save. Let's see how it goes. There you go. Does not look same as ours. We are going to change. We are going to change. Remember, even the font, you can see the font is different. So this is the last thing we are going to do. So don't worry about the font, about the color. We are going to change all that. So let's go ahead and now create this part. It's called features module or items. Let's go ahead and create this one, features item. So we add these images and the text and the read more text. So let's go ahead and do that. Now to add the feature box, as you can see here, so this is another row. So another row. So don't worry about the appearance for now, about the font, about the color. We are going to do that when we finish our website. So don't worry about all that. So let's go ahead and add this. So the same time, so this is we add another row, full. This time it will be with the 3 columns. Hello, with 3 columns. Remember, we have 3 of them, but you need to do some changes here. You can see here the background is different. So here we go, yellow options, and change some settings in the style. And so the padding, let us remain 50-50 because it's very big to accommodate the feature boxes. So that is okay. For the background color, let's add this one. There you go. You have the background color. Bas, there we go. Then we apply, and then we save. And then now let's start building our first one, which is who we are. Who we are. So here we go, and click add-on, and this time you add a feature box. A feature box. So here you add the to add the feature box, you click new add-on, then the feature box, and here now you add the settings. So for our title, so this is the one we want to create, who we are. Who we are. So the title is who we are. Then so for the icon type, you put image because we want to add an image. So for now, let us block our URL feature box. We are going to add this image. Choose your image, browse the folders. You can create a new one and call it features, where we are going to put those images. And then you can drag or upload the files. So already have the file with me. Then we get it, images, and the file we are talking about is this one. Yeah, sure. Set. That is the image. We have inserted the image. So this content, you add the content you want. Let us remain this with the automatic content for now. So, but here you can add your own content. You can add your own content. Then you have the button, read more. For now, let's put nothing. Have a custom front. Default button, icon. Let's have a book. Let's have a book. Should be on left. And let us apply and save. Let's see how it appears. There you are. Nice. Let's add the others. Remember, don't worry about the font and the color. We are going to change this when we finalize everything. We're going to change this when we finalize everything. So instead of now creating another one, we can clone this one and just drag this there, and then clone this one and then drag that there, and then you edit. Click here to edit. So you have to edit the first one here. Is what we do. Instead of who we are, what we do. And the other item we need to change is the image. Need to change the image. This is the image, and choose your image. Browse the folders. We are in the features folders. This is where we want to store our features images. And then let us upload an image. Don't worry, I'm going to give you all these images so that you can use it in your demonstration website. There you are. Let's also add the other one so that you don't have to go the same route again. So we just need to put. So this is the image. You can see here. The insert. There you are. And all that you need to do. That's all we need to do. For the who we are, we need to change the icon, the button icon. I think it is a cog, this one here. Apply, and then we make sure we save the changes. There you are, see there. And then we do the final one. Where we work, and then we need to change the image. There you go, insert, then apply. Sorry, we have missed the icon, the home icon. We need to edit that. Here the icon, we need to have home icon, then we apply, and then you say click save. Let's see how it goes. There you are. See, our website is coming all along very well. As for now, you can see in terms of the font and in terms of colors, the website we are creating does not look as our demo website. So what I'm saying, please don't worry. When we finalize everything, we are going now to work on the fonts, the typography, that is the headings, the text, the subheading, and the colors of our website. So there you go, we have created this. On the next video, we are going to continue creating the other section in the home page. Please like this video, and if you have a comment or if you have a question, please comment in this video. I'm going to get back to you. If you are new here, please subscribe, and also I urge you to like this video because it makes a huge difference. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Hi, in this video, we now add this section, the latest news or the blog section. Let's go ahead and add this part. So we go again to the components, and then we go to SP page builder, and then we go to pages, go to our home page, and here we need now to add a new row. We need to add a new row. A full one. There you are. We have added a new row. And the first part here is we need to add the title. We need to add the title. So you create a new add-on, and then you add the title. You add the text block, and the title here is the latest news or blog. Then the heading, let's put H2 for the heading. Let us increase H2 as, and that's all you need to do. Then you click apply, and then you save. Let's see how it will appear. There you are, latest news blog. Let's put it at the center. Let's put it at the center. You edit, and then with the content alignment center. There you go. Then you apply, and then You click save, refresh. There you go. It's good now. And then the other item, you need to add the latest news, of the blog here. But before we do that, let's add a small space to separate the two. So you go here again on the same row, you click add-on, and this time we want to enter an empty space. There you go. Separator. Let it give it 40. Border. And then put OK. Let me go. Not the border, not the divider, but an empty space. Let's remove this one. Add on empty space, that is an empty space. Let's put it 40. That will just give a separation between the upper part and part. Then let us save. There you go. I have added a space here so that we can now add the blog section. Can add the blog section. But before we do that, let's create the content for the blog. So we have 3 of them here. Let's create the content for the blog. And to do that, you need to go to the dashboard, and then you go to the content. So here is where you create the content, or what we refer to as the articles. You create the articles. But before you create an article, let's add a category. As you can see here, our main category here is latest news. Let's create latest news category. You can see here there is an already default one which is uncategorized. But let's create one. Rename it latest news. Latest news category. Here you are. And then you save and close category. There you are. And now let's create the articles. So we go to articles. You can see here there are no articles that has been created yet. So to do that, you need to go to add your first article. Or click new. There you are. And this is our article title. This is our article content. I have used the generate content to come up with a content for the article. So let's open this article and copy the content. So this is the first article here. So that is the article title. And this is the article content. There you go. And then you save. There you go. We have added the article. The next thing we need to do is we need to add the image. for the article. You need to add the image for the article, and this is the image, and you can select the image. You can create a new folder, say where we store all our articles images, then we upload. And this is the image. There you go, select full article image. Let's select the same. Option, blog option, featured image. Let's select the same. The same, and that's all we need to do. So we save. So we save and close. So we have generated our first article. So that's how you add the articles in Joomla. So we create another one. Let's create at least 3. So we create the second one. This one here. And this is the content. And the image. We have actually added the image for the first, but we can always change. So we go to images, select the images. Here we go. So we have added one. We can add this one here. Select the image. Then same image, and option, blog option, featured. Let's add the same, and then we save and close so that we can create the third one. Create a new one. So someone may ask, where did I get this kind of content? So we normally have this generator. You can search it. Generator. It's a text generator. There are so many ones. This here you have so many websites you can use to generate the content for your website. Just that is a demo content. It's a demo content. Here you are. You can use it to generate a demo content for your website, like the way I am doing, or for whatever reason you want to generate a demo content for. So you can check these 2 websites that can help you to generate the text for your demo content. So we go and create the third one, the third article. Here you are. There. This is the content. Then the images. upload the images. Here we have this one here. Select, do the same, you select, and option, log option, upload the same. Something we forget to do with the other articles is we forgot to add the category to be the latest news, because how we are going to display this content is based on the category, because you can create so many content of different kind and reasons. So that's why you create the categories, so that you can be able to save it then. So let us edit our other content. The category we have created, featured, latest news category. Latest news. There we go. We have created now the category. Now the next step now is how to display the categories or the articles. We have created now the articles. We have now created the articles. Now the next step, how can we now display our articles in our website? How do we display them here in our website? So we go again to our page builder, component, pages, then you click home. Then we are going to add a module here. So if you add an add-on here, we realize that because we are using the free version of SP Page Builder, there's no way we can use the add-ons here. There's an add-on for adding the articles. You can see here, there's one here, there's one here. You need to have a pro version of SP Page Builder to do that. But the good news is in Joomla, we have what we refer to as extensions. You can extend your Joomla capability by using what we refer to as extensions. So there are some which you can pay and there are some which you cannot pay. They are free. So we are going to use a free version, and here you can see here anything to do with photos and images. If you want to extend your Joomla website with photos and images, you can see there are so many here: news, social web, style and design, site management. There are so many. So in our case, we want to display articles. So if you click article display, you're going to see so many extensions or modules or components that you can actually use to extend your Joomla website. So here you can see there are so many here. You can see here then it is free. Some are free and some you have to buy. Free and some you have to buy. So there are so many of them. There are so many of them. But the one we are going to use is called a mini front page. So the module we are going to use, or the extension we are going to use, is called mini front page. Here you go, mini front page. It's a free module or extension that you can use to display the articles. So go ahead and search it and download the module. Here is compatibility with Joomla 3 and 4. We are using 4. So if you go to their demo website, there you go. You can see it is a very nice module that you can use to display your articles. You can use to display your articles. So go ahead and download the free version of the extension. Go ahead and download the free version of the extension. So click download and then register on the website and download the free version of the extension. Once you download, you go to your dashboard, then you go to system, and then you go to install extensions. There you go, and then you upload your extension. So I have already downloaded mine, so here you are, just drag here. There you go, it has installed the module. It has. So what you need now to go is you need to go to the module manager and publish the module so that it can be used. So you need to publish. Once you install, you need to publish. So you go to the module, modules, and then here you are, mini front here, let's publish the module. There you go, mini front page. Let's open it. So here, mini front page. We can even give it a new name. Display articles. Display articles. There you are, so that we can remember. So we disable the title so that when we display the articles, do not bring any issues or problem. We need to do some setting on this module or extension so that it can display our articles. So here the category we want is the latest news. Remember we added this category, and then the main reason we added here, because in our website you can have so many articles or the news or the blog with different categories. So categories help you to identify them, and also how to display them on the website. Thumbnail, the images 640. This is based on the images we have put. That's 640 by 360. That's the size of our images. Menu, we have to leave it to theme. Display at least the default 3 of them. Let's show the category. Let's hide the other format. Let's hide this one. Let's use this one, card me, but you can select any and see how it will appear. Just make the information. Then we save and close. So we are done with that module. So now we need to display this module in our page. So we go to components, SP page builder, pages. Then we go to home. There you are. And then we go to our row, and then we go to add-on. This time we need now to add the Joomla module or the extension, and the module we want now is the display articles. Remember, this is the one we created, display articles, and then we apply. Style. Anything we need to do. So now, like that, tick, and then we save. save. Let's see how it will appear. Let's see how it. There we are. Very nice. We have displays our articles there. Don't worry about the color and the rest. We are going to do that as in our demo website. The typography, we are going to do that at later date, at a later time. But first we need to build the website. So you can see here the articles. There you are. You can see ours there. We have added ours. It's looking good. That's nice. Let's go ahead now and do this part. We add a video part and also a banner part. You may want to add a banner part or a video part in your website. Let's go ahead and do that. Video part and a banner part. Please like, share and comment. And if you are new here, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. So to add this section is very simple. You just create a row with 2 columns, and then you add a video add-on and an image add-on So go ahead to your Joomla SP page builder. There you go. And then you add a new row, and this row with 2 columns. This row with new 2 columns, and the first column we add a video add-on. We add a video add-on. Here we are, video add-on. And then here you need to do is add the YouTube or Vimeo video URL. For our case, then add this video here. Copy that URL, and then you paste it here. Just paste it there. That's all you need to do, and then you say apply, and then you say. Then on the other column you need to add an image add-on. Here you are. You choose the image and browse the folders. You have created a banner images folder for images, for banners, then you upload. I'm going to give you this asset, or if you have yours you can add. Let's open it, and then we insert that banner here. And then you need to do some settings here to be open on laptops. Let's have this as our color overlay. Website, and that's all you need to do. Let's click here, then you save. Let's see how it appears in our website now. There you go. Very nice. You have added the website, then you have added the image article there. Very nice, very nice. Next, let's add this big banner here. So let's go ahead and create this section here. This big section here. So what you need to do is create a row. This is a row. So you go to your page builder, and then you add a row with 1 column. There you go. Then in this row you need to do some settings here. Row options settings here. And come to the style. You need to increase the padding because it's a very big. let's put it. It will do, because there is an image background there. Image background. So for the background color, let's put this color here. Yeah. And then for the overlay, let's put this one here. This one here. You can put any. You see it is good. And there you go. We need to add an image. Just an image. Let's put it here in a banner. So this is the image and now this. Put here under the banner background. This is the image here. Put that image there. So image, now repeat, background side cover, let it be fixed. So the position let it be center so that it can cover all the. And all that you need to do, that's all you need to do. Then you say okay, save. Let's see how it goes. There you are. So far so good. Yeah, so far so good. But now let's enter the content. First one is this content here. So you go there. The same now you add the add-on, text add-on. So you add the title there. There you go. Then you say the title should be center, alignment, content in the center there. Then you apply, say okay, let us save. See how it goes now. There you are. They come good. Let's add now the button. This button here. From here. Then you go to add a new add-on button. Button text is contact us now. Now, limit is the center. For now, we don't want to direct it to any. Let it not be a big one, extra large. Then here be rounded. Put an icon. Maybe here. Contact. Put this one on the left. It's okay. Then you apply. Then you save. Let's see how it goes. There you go. It is nice. But I think you need to do some setting here so that it can be bigger. Let's do some settings. Let's do some settings. Let's do some settings for the text here. Yeah, let extra bold. Let extra bold. Let's be bold here. Then the style here. Have that X. Let's see how it appears. There you go. Still big now. let's do this settings here. The 100. There you go. Let us save, see how it goes. There you go. Final settings will be, let's see, the button here, style. Text there, that here. Be good. There you are. And the button. There. Right. And then save. So there you are. Don't worry again. Don't worry about the font and the color. So we are going to do that at a later date. So there you go. There you are. We have added that section. So if you have any question or comment, please comment and like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the footer section of our website. And this is our demo website, and this is the footer section. It has about us. It has this module for signing, latest news, and the content details. So we go to our website. To do this, you create using the module. Each and every one of these is a module. It will depend with what you want to create in your footer section of. So you go to the module. So we start with the first one, about us. So we go to the modules and we create the first one, new, and then this one will be a custom module, because we just want to enter the text, and the title is, you enter the title, then you enter the content, you enter your content, you show the title and then position. This is important. Remember, in our previous video we discussed that the framework has various positions, so you have to specify one here. In this case, you go to our framework. This is our framework, Shaper Help Automate, and the position is bottom number 1. That will be bottom number 1, and then you save. Then you check our website. There you are. You have put the first one, about us, and it has indicated the content. Number 2, we have this module to sign in, where you use username and password. So you go again in the modules, site modules, then you click new. And this one, we want to enter the login module. We want to display this login module. and we rename it login. And we show the title. Then this position now will be bottom number 2. Eric's Ultimate bottom number 2. There you go. And then we save. Then refresh. You see how it appears in our website. There you go. You have the first one, then you have the second one. There you go. Then we have latest news as our third module here. We may want to display the latest news at least. So we go to modules, then we say new articles. We want to display articles, latest articles. Yeah, go to latest news. Here category, then say latest news. Remember, you have created this one. Let's display 3 for now. 3 now. There you go. Position here is important. This now will be bottom number 3. There you go. Bottom number 3. Then we save. And we refresh here. There you go. It's displayed well. And then we have, you may want to enter the contact details. So we go new. And this will be a custom. To be a custom module. Contact details, and here you can now enter the contact details. The contact details you have, the information, your telephone number, your email, and then this position can be position number 4, bottom number 4. There you go. Let refresh. And there you go. So we have added the modules here. As you can see here, you can add any type of modules. Let, for example, you can go to the components and create a module or a page with the SP page builder. And if you want to put that module, you can come to module and yeah, you display content from the SP page builder. So if you have content there, for the modules you have uploaded in your website, the menus, the users, the language switches, you can create the module there and then display them. You create the custom module and display them in the position of the website where you want to display them. Remember what I told you, don't worry about the appearance, the font. That is the last thing we are going to do so that our website can look same as this demo website. This demo website. So the next, let us now create the pages. Let's now create the pages. Our pages, who we are, what we do, where we work, and the contact details. So we are going to use the SP page builder to create our pages. And we start with the first one, who we are. So we go to components, SP page builder, pages, and then you create a new, and the page is who we are, and then we save. There you have created the page. If you look at our page, as we have added the content, we have added 2 content. We have added a text. You can, it depends with how you want to design your website or your page. And then we have added a banner here. So we are going to do the same. We are going to add a row with 2 columns. So here we add a row with 2 columns. So in the first column, we add a text add-on. a text add-on. The first column, add a text add-on. There you go. You apply. In the second column, we add an image add-on. Image add-on, there you go. And then we choose the image. This is the image. There you go. We may want to add some address here. Let apply there. Change this color overlay. Then you apply, and then we save. So that is the first page. Then the second one is what we do. If you click here, what we do, we have added 2 columns, 1 row, 2 columns, one with a video, and the second one with a text. So we go to the same. You click new. What we do, then we save. We add a new row with the 2 columns. The first one we add a video. Add a video. There we go. Let remain with the default one there. Add a video. And then the second one we enter a text. A text. There we go. Remain with the default one, and then we save. There we go. The third one is where we work. It's another video. So it has 1 row and 2 columns. New. Where we work. Save. So we add a row with 2 columns. First is a text add-on, text add-on that remain with the default text. The second one is an image add-on. Let's choose our image. There you go. Set the image. Some color over here. There you go. We apply, and then we save. And then our final image is contact details. Contact details. So here is where you enter the contact details. You have 1 row and 2 columns. New. Contact details. And a row with 2 columns. First one with the text, the second one with the text. So that's how you design the pages, depending with what content you want to enter. So like for example, in the contact details, you can enter the contact details, you can enter the contact form, you can add as many rows as you want, depending with what content you want to add in your forums. Depending with what you want to add in your forums. Once you are through with creating the pages, you now have to find a way to display them. Because, for example, if you now go to our website and you refresh, you see the pages has not been able to display. So you go to the menu. Here is the menu. Manage menus. And our main concern is the main menu. And we want to add other menu items there that we have created. So we go to add menu, add menu item, and the first one is who. First one is who we are. And now the trick here is this main item type. Here you have to select many item types. There are so many item type you can create in Joomla. And if you have remembered, our was SP page builder. There can be articles, configuration, content, newsfeed, private sample. There are so many types. So in our case, it's the SP page builder, a page there. So and then it will ask us to select the page, and the page is who we are. There you are, its main item there, and then we save. So if you go to our website here now, we refresh, we got our menu here, and when you open our menu, does not display the content. What we do, let us there are some settings we need to do. To enable the page title there. There we go. Let us add the other items and then we check. Let's add another one. Number 2 is what we do. The main type is the SP page builder, and then the page is what we do. Content, then we save. The other one is where we work. Menu item, SP page builder. The page is where we work. Let's enable that one. Let's add the final one, contact details. Main item type, SP page builder, page. Select the page, contact details. Link, page display, yes. Then we save. There you go. Let's check if you have our menus. There you go, we have our menus. What we do, where we work, contact details. Let's check what might be the problem. They are not displaying the content. They are not displaying the content. Let us check why they are not displaying the content. Go to components, SP page builder, pages, who we are. Oh, the content we add, it was not saved. That's the reason why it is not displaying. So who we are, let's add the content again. 2 columns and 1 row. A text block, so a text add-on, and an image. Let's choose our image. This is our image. to do some styles here, and then save our image. Let's see now what will happen. There we go. It has added the content. What we do, we had a video and a text. So what we do, one row, 2 columns, a video add-on, and a text. Let us save. Let's see. There you go. A video and a verb. There you go. Then where we work, a text and a banner. Where we work. I don't know why it is never saved, but it's okay. We can create again. 2 columns, a text, and an image. Remember, this is for demo purposes. In any page you can design the way you want. With SP Page Builder you can add rows, columns, and you can add the content, any content that you want. There you go. Then we have the contact details. We have 2, both with the text. So it will depend with you what type of content you want to enter. If you are lucky enough to buy a pro version of the SP Page Builder, you can add so many content in it. But if you are using the free version, these are the only items or the add-ons that you can add. But the good news is that I told you the Joomla website has so many content extensions that are free. Maybe you want to enter something, you can search here on the extensions and you choose the free items that you want to add. Or to display. There are so many of them there, and you can use them in your website. So there we go. So far so good, So the only thing now remaining is the font, the typography, the color of our website, so that it can look as the same as our demo website. But it will also be good for you so that when you are designing, you can know how to add the fonts, you can know how to add the color, how to change the font, the color of your website. So that's what we'll do in the next video. So make sure that you like this video and comment. And if you are new here, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. In this video, I want to show you how to change the appearance of our website. That is in terms of font, color, typography, so that our website can look like same as our demo website. It can look the same as our demo website. So let's go ahead and do some changes. So to do that, you need to go to the system, and then you choose Site Template Styles. There you are. And then we choose our framework. The framework we are using, which is Shaper Helix Ultimate. And there it will give you the template options. To give you the template option. This is where you do all the kind of settings for our template or for our framework for our website. There you go. These are now the settings, the options for our framework or template. Let's start with the basic. There you go. Here we can add the logo which we have added in our first video. Let's go to the header and see what we can add here. We have done this. We have chosen this one with a modified top bar, which we already have. Let's see the body. It has a preloader when our website opens, and then you can choose the type of preloader you want. The circle, 2-wave audio. You can choose anything. 2 circles. There you go. Let's put that one there. That one. Then the footer. Here now you can change your footer name, how you want it to be. Change your footer, go to top if you want that icon to appear. This one here. Is the footer we are talking about here. So you can change the way you want your company or whatever way you are designing it to. Social icon. So when you want the social icon to appear, Facebook, you put your Facebook address, Twitter, all those items you want to appear here, you add them there. The other information you can change is the content info. So here you can change website is under the maintenance, or if there is an issue with the website, you want to do the website and you don't want the users to access the website. And then the error page. When there is an error in your website, specifically if the users try to access a certain page that does not exist, you can put the error page to have a logo, and then you can have a background image. The other important thing you need to change is the preset. We have the predefined presets. Preset number 1 up to preset number 8. In this case, by default, for the website, you preset 1. That's why you see most of the color code in our website is blue. But we need to have a custom style preset. So you need to activate it here so that you can manage your your preset and define your color code for each and every preset or part of the website. So starting with the top bar, so here you put
then we have the layout. All you need to change is the footer. It has the color code for our theme or for our website. So to change, you click here. In the menu, you don't have to change anything. We have our menu there, our menu items there. Make a menu, we are not using any drop down menu, so that is okay. Off canvas, we are not using any head menu here, side menu here. Typology, so this is important. Using font Roboto. Guys, what is this? In one, put a sun. Do the same. Three the same. Make sure change the font here. All the same. So if you make any changes here, that change will appear in your website. All that changes. If you have a heading 1, heading 3, 2, 4, just like that, it will actually appear in your website. In 5, open sun. 6, same. For navigation, this is the menu. We are going to use another one here. $20. There you go. In there. They're good. Then you can have the custom type of font. You can enter with the custom content in your website. So we are not. For that, what you need to do, there you can see now our website. It looks now like demo website. There are changes for blog them. You have a custom code, advanced compression. This make sure that your site load faster. That's how you do the basic option in website. So you can see now our website look like website. Other options you can deal with them. With the components. So in the pages, those options you change there appear to all your website. But if you want to deal with a specific component or part, you can change its settings direct from the SP page builder. Let's say like this text block. You can style different style you can use to style that for specific part of the website. You can do it. Otherwise, you can do it at the page options website. So thank you so much. We come to the end of our beginners the development of a website using Joomla. If you have any question, you can comment, but make sure that you like this video. If you are new here, please subscribe, and I'll see you to the next one. I may add several sections of this video, of this tutorial, maybe to add some of the extensions the website, like booking, like content form. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and bye.